Today, I'm going to tell you about Evolup. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to Epzone's YouTube channel. Evolup is an online-powered affiliate marketing platform that can help you launch an e-commerce site for multiple affiliate programs or partners. The affiliate marketing platform that helps you choose a niche, build an SEO-friendly site, and write e-commerce copy with AI. Automatically import products through the Amazon affiliate program with sensed price, stock, and promotional info. Launch an online store, set up a domain, generate engaging content, and optimize your site with smart SEO tools. As an affiliate, it can take weeks or even months to find your product niche. Luckily, with Evolup, you can find it almost instantly. All you gotta do is choose something you're passionate about. Let's say it's pasta. Evolup will generate suggestions like cookbooks, pasta drying racks, pasta shaping tools. It'll even help you come up with a brand name like Tartleni Text. It's that affiliate marketing works for everyone: creators, businesses, and consumers. Now, if you're an affiliate on Amazon, adding products is simple. Just add your affiliate link, and Evolup will automatically sync everything up. We're talking product characteristics, photos, and even customizable discounts. See all that copy? Subscribe to Evolup AI so you can rewrite your product descriptions, taglines, SEO meta tags, and more. This platform also helps you optimize for technical SEO, starting with for monitors, sitemaps, and alt text. And don't worry, Evolup ensures that you comply with Amazon's affiliate program. That means all the legal copy, buttons, and partner ID. Stuff you really don't want to overlook. Now you're going to want your affiliate store to stand out. Good thing Evolup uses webpage technology to make websites easy to navigate and nice to look at. You've got webblocks for background videos, forms, product lists, loads of functionality. Once you're done setting up your affiliate site, you'll get something perfect like this. Turn your passions into profits. Here's what the product category pages will look like. And here's a typical product page. You'll find all the original images, AI generated a copy, and the Amazon buy button, which will redirect your customers to the original Amazon listing. Evolup is packed with AI-powered tools you can use to create and manage an affiliate store, from development to design. Using AI, you can identify your product niche, generate brand copy, and set up a domain in just a few clicks. This platform lets you easily build feature-rich web pages with drag-and-drop modules for product listings, reviews, forums, and social media. That's where you'll be able to add your affiliate links and redirect visits to buy products from sites like Amazon. Evolup uses AI to generate content for your website, so you can automate all the repetitive writing tasks that come with running an e-commerce business. You'll be able to produce conversion-focused product descriptions and even translate webpage copy to expand your reach. Plus, you can write well-researched articles with AI, along with titles and meta descriptions for each webpage. Evolup also includes a full suite of SEO tools to help you improve your site's visibility and drive more traffic to your storefront. Configure over 50 SEO optimizations to identify and fix any roadblocks standing between you and the top of the search results. You will also be able to analyze URLs for technical SEO errors like internal linking, sitemaps, and alt text, which helps improve loading speed. If you're selling with Amazon, Evolup lets you automatically import Amazon products with just the product URL and no API keys required. That means you can manage prices and availability, automatically create tracking URLs, and run promotions through Amazon. And this platform works with any affiliate program, including Etsy, eBay, or Rakuten, so you can manage multiple sites and affiliate programs from a single account. Launch and manage affiliate websites easily using a suite of AI-powered tools. Evolup is the only solution 100% dedicated to the creation of affiliate stores, powered by artificial intelligence. Evolup gives you everything you need to quickly create a responsive, Google-approved website for all your affiliate products. Upgrade your affiliate marketing. So, click on the link below to Evolup for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.